Welcome back. We're on the same property we were at. Come back to get this BMW. It's got flat tires. Oh, there's the Jetta. We got two over here to get. Yeah, we got a third one right here. I'm sure somebody's not going to be happy about their BMW getting yanked. It is what it is. We're gonna roll to the yard. Got that one loaded up, man. Got that BMW. I know how much everybody likes to see. I mean, get them BMWs. I got bit by some ants. Man, I know what an ant bite feels like, and I just got bit a couple times. Probably in my shirt. That's what happens when you lay on the ground. At least it wasn't bees. Anyway. It is what it is, man. It's what we do. Pull up and yank them. We're gonna roll to the yard. Stay tuned. We're back over here to get this Jetta. Just pull in here real nice and easy and yank somebody's car. Let's see what happens. They had some action on this one. Can't never tell.
¿Fueron ustedes los que me le poncharon la llanta?
No, yo me gusta el carrito, pues.
Esa es mi mamá, a lo mejor te lo venda.
Pregúntale.
¿Quieres su número?
You waiting on the insurance to get it?
No, yeah.
Yeah, insurance, yeah. The insurance, hey, call them and I'll give you the address. You can tell them where it's at. Because I don't know if it's total or not, but you can tell the insurance where it's at and they'll come do the estimate at our shop.
Ahí está, ya llamé. Se está llamando.
Hey, I'm in the middle of the impound. I got people out here. Let me hit you back. Bye. Hey, here's our address. Go ahead and put that in your pocket where you got it. That way you don't lose it. That's for tell your insurance who we are and where it's at. Yeah, it's bent back here. This side's bent too.
Yeah, no, this whole part and the alignment.
Yeah, I think it's, yeah. But you take your time. I'm not in no rush. I'm not trying to rush you. Get whatever.
You're honestly really sweet.
Well, you don't have to be mean to do this job.
You can go ahead and take it.
Hey, thank you very much. Have a good one.
You have a good day.
You too. chain slots, they hang up. There it goes. Finally came unhung. Anyway, that girl's pretty polite, and I kind of figured we was going to have a controversy on that one, just because of sheer numbers. I hadn't had any conflicts in a day or two. Had a peaceful couple of days, but anytime you have a peaceful couple of days, you be happy about it, because there's controversy coming when you're doing this kind of work on the scale that we do it. You're gonna have controversy, but they didn't do it. That girl that came out there, she didn't do anything wrong. It's just a tough situation. Your car got towed. It is what it is, man. Area down through here. This little area down through here had a lot of people get hit. It's just a really busy area, and there's little shops on the main road, and there's a lot of traffic that comes through here. That's why they put those crosswalks up, special crosswalks up, to try to keep people from getting hit while they're crossing. It's bad. It's really not a bad area. It's just not. It's not a good area, and the foot traffic causes the roads to be rough over here. And if you're out walking with your kids, man, you can't just step out in front of traffic, man. But it happens. People do it all the time. They don't realize it. That's why it's important, man, to obey the traffic laws. You come through here running 70 miles an hour, man, you're liable to hit a family of kids, mother and kids. You might even run the whole family over if you come right through here like that. It's stupid. People need to drive safer. You know, just imagine what can happen. If you tell yourself it's not going to happen to me, then it will. But if you tell yourself, if you drive like it can happen to you, it probably never will. That's why you got to drive smart. Use your brain. Be smart. Anyway, we made it back to the lot with that jet right here, and this wrecked pretty bad. I want to show y'all what we just got in. We just got this right here in just now. This old Trans Am. Nice Trans Am. I believe that was somebody here to get a car out or something. I think they were just coming to look at the car. Anyway, time for me to roll out. I got some more, I got another call to run. I'm gonna back this thing out. There's Ruby. He's out front helping somebody with a car. Jeremy, Eddie, Rodney. A lot of employees here right this minute.